Tavis Renglish. I'm the sales manager at UTV. We're here with ABM Equipment. They're a dealer of ours in Minnesota, and so we invited a whole bunch of customers to show them our track digger and aerial, and hopefully just generate some interest and build relationships with our dealer and with customers in the area.
Tim Baldwick with Great River Energy, supervising manager of 3 line crews around the area. They're nice units. As far as like my company, they're a little small for what we would deal with, but UTV does have a larger bucket digger combo unit that I'd like to take a look at.
Running machine, and it looks neat and together well. Well, for off-road or hard terrain to get into where we can't get our regular trucks and aerial devices into, this would be a good alternative to that.
Yeah, I'm a regional sales manager for ABM Equipment. Basically, I work with a lot of the REAs around the area and some of the transmission providers, power line providers to the REAs. This is a premium product, and we've got great support. We've got a great team at Achiever, Tavis, and things like that. Parts are really easy to get for us. We can overnight things the next day to customers, and that open line of relationship and partnership that we do have with them makes us that much better of a product because the support's going to be there.